What's up guys? Welcome back to another edition of Skatepark Lessons with me, JB, here at the Sunnyvale Skate Park. And after 20 years of teaching skateboarding, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do varial heel flips today with my friend and sponsored skateboarder, Kenny Goodman. Check it out. For these tricks, it helps if you can skate comfortably, ollie consistently, kick flip, front side shove it. If you don't know how to do any of these, please watch my other videos on this channel to catch up. Here are the simple steps for varial heel flips. The skill level for this trick is intermediate, and the risk level for this trick is low. Here's the foot setup position for your varial heel flips, so be sure to take a screenshot to use as a reference for later. Push off into slow to medium speed and set your feet into heel flip position. Slide your tail foot back from the tip of the tail to the heel side concave opposite your front foot. Find a comfortable balance and bend down for your pop. Remember to keep your shoulders parallel with your board. Use the ball of your foot to pop the board down and in front of you, just like a front side shove it, to initiate your 180. As you pop, kick the heel of your front foot up and out so the side of your shoe and heel catch the nose for your flip. Look down and watch your board flip speed so you know when to extend your legs down into your catch. Extend your legs down and commit to your catch as you keep your body over your board. Bend down as you land with your head over your board and in between your feet. Please share this video with your friends or anyone who would benefit from it, and they'll appreciate your consideration. Leave me your comments with your location, including any questions you may have, ideas or lessons for future videos, and your thoughts or feedback about this video, so I can continue to do my best to help you guys reach your goals. I hope you guys learned these tricks and gained a better understanding of skateboarding. Please help support us. Click the like and subscribe button to encourage me to make a new video for you every week. Thanks again for watching, and be sure to meet me back here for more of your favorite skate park lessons.